Finding the best spy camera can be a more difficult task than at first thought. Choosing the best spy camera out of hundreds of different options can turn into a big headache. This is why we here at TAC Tech will review the latest and best spy cameras, making sure you get the best value for your money. The links to all the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. So if you are ready, let's get started with the video.
Introducing Mini, the new indoor smart security camera from Blink. Mini is mighty, but tiny, which means you can place it just about anywhere inside your home. View, listen, and talk.
Hey guys. Hey Mom.
Right from the Blink app on your smartphone. You can even get alerts whenever motion is detected. So whether it's an unexpected intruder or the dog walker you forgot was coming, you can protect what matters most, day or night. Mini makes smart home security simple and affordable. Just Blink, and you're home.
Did you leave the garage open? Did you let the dog out? Did you put the groceries away? Meet Nest Cam. You can set it up and connect it to Wi-Fi in less than a minute. And see your home in beautiful high-definition video. Use it to solve mysteries. The big ones and the little ones. You'll get an alert if there's motion or sound. And you can talk back.
Henry, bad boy, off.
It lets you see once the lights go out. So you can take care of the things that go bump in the night. And with a Nest Aware subscription, you can even go back in time to save the moments you want to remember. Nest Cam. Keep an eye on what matters to you from anywhere.